Hey everyone, it's Brenda from Digital Trends, and today we're here to show you the all-new Palm. But it's different from the one you're probably thinking of. This time around, the Palm is extremely tiny, and it's also meant to act as your connected device that you take with you for weekend trips or nights out when you're supposed to be disconnected from technology. Since you connect it to your main phone, you'll still receive all the same notifications, text messages, and alerts. Let's check it out. Since the Palm is meant to be a connected device, it won't work as a standalone smartphone. As a Verizon exclusive, you'll have to use the carrier's number share service to sync your calls and text messages. So you'll have to download the Message Plus app, which can be found on the Google Play Store or Apple's App Store on your main phone. Once it's connected, you'll receive all the same notifications, alerts, texts, and calls on the Palm that you would on your main smartphone. If you have an iPhone, you'll have to disable iMessage whenever you leave your iPhone at home, which might take a little extra work. But on top of the $350 that you pay for the device, you'll have to pay an additional $10 per month for the service. The Palm has a 3.3-inch display, and on the top is an 8-megapixel front-facing camera. Along the sides of the device, it's made out of aluminum, and then the front and back are coated in glass. On the side, you have your SIM tray and then the power button. And then on the back is a 12-megapixel rear camera and then Palm's all-new logo. And on the bottom is a USB Type-C charging port. In terms of specs, the Palm has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 435 processor, 3 gigabytes of RAM, and 32 gigabytes of storage, which can fill up pretty quickly. But again, it's only meant to store the content you absolutely need. So we recommend being picky about which apps you choose to download and also uploading any of your photos to Google Photos and then deleting it off your phone to maximize storage. So let's talk about the core feature of the device. It's called Life Mode, and it's basically a combination of Do Not Disturb and Airplane Mode all in one button. When you tap it to turn it on, your screen won't light up with notifications unless you manually wake the display yourself. When I took the Palm on a night out and turned it on, I still found myself checking my phone when using it to take photos. So it's going to take a lot of willpower to actually use the Palm for what it's intended for. Even though the small 3.3-inch display is supposed to deter you from wanting to scroll through social media, I can easily say that it didn't. A screen is still a screen regardless of how small it is. What's even worse than the camera on the Palm is the battery life. For a $350 device that's supposed to be taken with you on weekend trips, the 800 milliamp hour battery only lasted us 7 hours before it died. During a night out, it only lasted us about 5 hours after using the camera and scrolling through notifications. So for the most part, the Palm is pretty durable, but since it is coated in glass from the front to the back, we would recommend putting a case on it. Palm did release a variety of different accessories for it. We received the Kate Spade wallet specifically, which we actually took on a night out, and it's pretty useful. You just clip it in like so it's protected and won't fall out or anything. And then you can put your credit card, license, any cash that you have right in here, and it just clips close. And that way you don't have to carry a bag, a wallet, any extra stuff that'll weigh you down during the nights out. If you don't prefer the wallet case, we also received a Tech 21 case, which I would say is good for hikes or, those outdoor trips. It does come with a string that's attached to it, so you can wear it on your wrist or you can attach it to even your keys or something like that. But it doesn't weigh the device down either. It's fairly light. Other accessories that Palm has for the device is a sleeve that you can also wear during workouts. So you just pop it in, you put the case on your sleeve, and you can run with it, you can bike with it, any preferred method of exercise, and you can also change your music on it or check your workout apps while you're working out. The Palm is currently available for purchase through Verizon for $350, and then there's also the additional $10 per month you'll have to pay for Verizon's number share. But we recommend not wasting your money. In theory, it might sound cool and it might also look cool, but it has a terrible battery life, a mediocre camera, and it's just frustrating to use. If you really want to disconnect from technology, we recommend just using Do Not Disturb on your smartphone that you already have, or investing in a smartwatch. And for more reviews on mobile devices and other tech products, check out Digital Trends.